With T-Mobile Friday Night 5G lights, we're giving your hometown a massive 5G makeover. After reviewing tons of amazing submissions, we've now selected the 16 finalists. Each of these high schools have won $25,000 grants to upgrade their stadiums and take the fun and excitement of Friday Night Lights to a whole new level. Congratulations. Now, it's your call. Your vote helps decide which school wins the grand prize. So head to FridayNight5GLights.com to learn how you can vote for your favorite school. We'll be announcing the winner of a multi-million-dollar grand prize. Stay tuned, folks.